and a great time to bring you the world of sports. Let's start with the Ghana Premier League, and Asante Kotoko have announced the signing of former Karela United forward Sarfo Taylor. Sarfo has signed a 3.5-year deal with the Porcupine Warriors. He's expected to be a replacement for Kwame Poku, who left Kotoko for USM Alger last week. Sarfo Taylor is expected to be available for selection when the Ghana Premier League resumes after a 3-week break. Dreams FC completed the signing of midfielder Mohammed Baki Gigi Alifo. The club made an announcement via their official Twitter handle yesterday. The young midfielder, according to the club, has been brought in to help increase the goal-scoring prowess of the club. Baki joins the club as they look to strengthen their squad ahead of the resumption of the Ghana Premier League, which is slated for 2nd April. The sports minister, Mustapha Yosef, says the government is determined to ensure the success of the Ghana Olympic Committee. According to him, the downfall of the GOC would have adverse effects on the nation in terms of sports development and the country's reputation globally.
I couldn't have been more happier to be in the midst of the sports stakeholders, especially as this General Assembly follow my assumption of office as the Minister for Youth and Sports. The GOC, being an important stakeholder and ally in the promotion and development of sports in the country, government is keen in seeing the progress of the GOC, as its success or otherwise will have direct impact on our country's sports development vision and international image.
Jurgen Klopp saluted Liverpool's win by any means attitude as they secured a deserved 3 points at Wolves to close on the top 4. Diogo Jota hunted his former club with a winner as Molineux in the first half stoppage time, as the champions claimed only their 2nd Premier League win in 8 games. Bruno Espirito Santo says Wolves goalkeeper Rui Patricio is conscious and going to be okay after his head injury against Liverpool. Patricio was taken off on a stretcher after a 15-minute delay following a collision with his captain Conor Cody near the end of Wolves' 1-0 defeat. In other leagues, we have La Liga. There was just one game there, and Barcelona beat Huesca 4-1 in that fixture. Let's move on to the Champions League, and Pep Guardiola has dismissed Zinchenko's claim that Manchester City can win the quadruple this season. City are clear favourites to reclaim the Premier League title after establishing a 14-point lead at the top of the table and will play Tottenham in the final of the Carabao Cup next month, while they are in the quarterfinals of the FA Cup and hold a 2-0 lead over Borussia Mönchengladbach at the halfway stage of their last 16 league tie. And other Champions League games that we're going to have is Real Madrid versus Atalanta tonight, as well as we already seen City versus Borussia Mönchengladbach. Tomorrow we have games like Bayern Munich and Lazio and Chelsea, Atletico Madrid. Let's switch gears now and do some NBA. And New York's basketball rivalry was alive and heated last night as Kyrie Irving scored 34 points and James Harden posted his 10th triple-double of the season to lead the Brooklyn Nets to a 117-112 victory over the Knicks. LeBron James recorded a 98 triple-double of his career as Los Angeles Lakers eased to 128-97 win over Golden State Warriors in San Francisco. Wish you could bring you more, but that's it all for MX Break Sports. I am Selwyn Saki. Keep watching MX24.